Should I buy or sell Google? The report for Google was first published on our website Monday, January 23, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 19, 2023, our system ranks Google as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.760. In this period the stock has had a gain of 7.77%. This is an average return of 2.59% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Google, our last headline reads, Google stock price ended on $101.21 on Monday after gaining 1.94%. The Google stock price gained 1.94% on the last trading day, Monday, January 23, 2023, rising from $99.28 to $101.21. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 2.68% from a day low at $98.75 to a day high of $101.40. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 14.8% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 22 million shares and in total, 32 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.21 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $152.10, and the lowest price was $83.45. Right now the price is 33.46%, or $50.89, below 52-week high and 95.99%, or $2,425.78, below all-time high June 11, 2021 where the price hit $2,526.99. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend up. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is $99.02, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $118.23 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 4.11% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 24.39% and minus 6.19%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 34.64% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between minus 52.94% and minus 39.01%. This equals a price between $47.63 and $61.72 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, January 11, 2023, Cowen and Company set price target to 125. On Wednesday, November 30, 2022, Société Générale set price target to 132. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, Cowen and Company set price target to 135. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, Deutsche Bank set price target to 120. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, Oppenheimer set price target to 135. From analysts, Google stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give P/E ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Google. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Google stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $94.72 and $92.40. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 28, 2022, and so far it has risen 17.06%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 100 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $99.28, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.65 between high and low, or 2.68%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.88%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Google. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Google currently has a price-earning ratio of 19.35. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released Jan 30, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $1.20. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Google meets first resistance at $101.45. If you do not hold Google shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Google finds first level of support at $99.28, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Google is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On January 5, 2023, Pichai Sundar made an inside sell of 657,904 of Class C capital stock. On January 5, 2023, Pichai Sundar made an inside buy of 1,330,260 of Class C capital stock. On January 4, 2023, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 855 of Class C capital stock. On January 3, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar made an inside sell of 532 of Class C capital stock. On January 3, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar made an inside sell of 3,344 of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -0.895. In total, the insiders bought 3,563,602 and sold 3,716,262 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $97.63, minus 3.54%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 80, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 16 days ago. Is Google stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the breakup from the falling trend indicates a possible shift for a trend. We believe that the prices around the breaking point will indicate particularly good levels, but we also believe that the current level will hold a possible good buy level for the short-term period. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 24th, we expect Google to open down $0.757 and start trading at $100.45. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to